I get today, it is maybe black sapote. I don't know how they write. Look at that. Black sapote. This. Look at that. This is seedling. Okay, quite big, not very small. Alright. I just got today and I'll find out. I think so it is black sapote because they're writing. I don't understand. Black is okay, clear. Sapote, maybe, yeah, black sapote. Yes, guys, it is like a 12-inch or something. I don't know, or 15-inch. Last time I made very big black sapote. Indoor they grow very easily, but when I put outside, winter time they die. So I'm very upset. This black sapote was like a quite big, like my size, nearly 5 feet 6, 5 feet 6 or 7 like this. Yeah, and I've lost few years ago, and I'm very unhappy. I used to keep. I keep these in indoor like a 2-3 years, and they was very big. They grow into very very easily. I don't know how to really. So I don't want to put any more outdoor until keep back up. Like you make 3, 4, 5 indoor and one you can try outside. It's like this I will do. Anyway, I haven't too much money to buy big one or drafted one. This is only seedling. Sometimes you even can get that if you have money also. So at the moment, this is okay. Let me try. This is my digital diary. I make it. So check how I'm doing it. I see my video also to check what I'm doing and what I have to do next. Guys. Anyway, let me put him on his place and let him grow. Bye bye, guys. See you again with my upgrade of this black sapote. So bye bye. See you next again.